Alright folks, welcome back to the Bird Guitar YouTube channel. I got the latest guitar I finished building off the bench here. As soon as I strung it up, I knew I had to make a video with this guitar, so let's dive into it. This is a 12 fret Dreadnought guitar, pretty Norman Blake inspired. I really enjoy building this style of guitar. I think they look really cool, and I think they sound pretty good too, especially this one. So this particular guitar has a Carpathian spruce top from over there across the pond in the Carpathian Mountains. And the back and sides are a really nice set of Madagascar rosewood, very straight grained, very quarter sawn. It reminds me a lot of the Brazilian that Martin used back in the 30s and 40s. This one is kind of a 28 style guitar, so we've got the herringbone purfling around the top and ivoroid bindings and the diamond and square inlays. Got kind of the classic slotted headstock that you see on a lot of 12 fret dreads with my script logo. Ebony fretboard, ebony bridge, 28 style rosette. And we've got kind of a pre-war style sunburst on this guitar as well. This neck is actually stained. I normally don't stain the necks, but I put a little darker stain on it as requested by the customer. And this has a nut width of 1 23/32, which is in between 1 3/4 and 1 11/16. So it's really comfortable, kind of just the middle of the road neck. Not real thick, not real thin, just kind of very comfortable neck. We got a bone nut, bone saddle, bone bridge pins. This guitar is just an absolute monster. And I actually have the plans from Norman Blake's original 1933 D28 as far as the bracing goes. So that's kind of how I brace all my 12 fret Dreadnoughts. And that has proven to make a pretty darn good sounding guitar. And this one is no exception to that. Without further ado, I'll let you hear what this thing sounds like.